The Philippines is an archipelagic gem nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia. It's a nation that charms its varied culture, breathtaking landscapes, and resilient spirit, embracing 7,107 islands in low tide and 7,100 in high tide, which constructs its overall interesting shape. The three main islands are Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Luzon, the largest and the most populated island of the three, is home to the busy capital city, Manila, the astounding Banahaw terraces, and the Mayon volcano, also known as the perfect cone volcano. The Visayas boast their pristine, immaculate beaches and oceans that are clear as day, with Boracay and Cebu being the top tourist destinations. With their white sand beaches and sapphire-like water, they have attracted many tourists and locals. Meanwhile, Mindanao, often called the land of provinces, is rich in culture and natural wonders, including the majestic Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the Philippines, and Camiguin, the island with more volcanoes than towns. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Hangin na humahaplo sa aking mga balat, ito ay nagmumula sa iyo. Mula sa berdeng mga puno at asul na dagat, kay sarap pagmasdan ang kagandahan mo. Mula kanluran hanggang silangan, ang sinag ng araw ang iyong korona, kataas-taasang kamahalan, kalikasan. Ang hangin na humahaplo sa aking mga balat, ito ay nagmumula sa